Cain Crew, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, hello. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Today I will be sharing how you can use bargain items to get Pinterest aesthetics in your house. Stay tuned. Before we jump too far in, I am honored to mention that this is a collaboration titled Women Supporting Women, a mega collaboration with all of these beautiful ladies that you see here who are a part of this niche on YouTube. We are all doing Dollar Tree organization ideas, and you can check out the playlist in my description box below. Okay, so there is no other bargain than the Dollar Tree itself. So today I will be sharing with you some top items that I got from Dollar Tree that's going to help me build a Pinterest aesthetics. We all want our house to look nice. Organizing and having the organization look nice is amazing. Now, throughout my house, I do have some high-end bins that creates that clear aesthetics, that acrylic aesthetics, but I went to Dollar Tree, and in the essence of saving money, hint, hint, $20,000 savings challenge, I have decided to bring it down a notch and organize some of my spaces using bargain items from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm not new to this. A lot of the spaces in my home already have storage items from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to share with you today how I'm going to build a backstock using Dollar Tree items. But before we jump into that, let me just show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so the first item I'm going to share are these. These bins are so amazing, and I have so many in my house. I use these under my sink in the kitchen, and I also use them as catch-all baskets with that around my house. So you know, everybody needs a catch-all basket. I'm not sure about you guys, but my kids drag everything everywhere, and when we live on we have 3 floors here, so who's running around putting it back one by one? No ma'am. I keep one of these at each level as well to throw things in, and then you just empty the catch-all basket when it gets full. So these are great for that. Again, like I mentioned, I also have them under the sink, so I'm going to actually use them again today under my powder room sink to build a backstock. I have some unused space in my home, and I said, you know what, it's time to use this space and use it effectively, and you want it to look nice. So I definitely grabbed these. I grabbed quite a few, and what I don't use I will take back in exchange for something that I may need from Dollar Tree. The second thing that I'll be using is these, guys. Now, you know, you can get these in the acrylic clear, which I have a few in my pantry like that, but these do amazing as well. If you don't want to go the high end in your pantry, you can always grab things like this to store sugar, flour, snacks, anything. These are very versatile, and I will be using them today in my laundry room. And if you want to take it a step above and make it look really, really nice, which I'm going to do, I'm going to actually put what goes in it on the front. So labeling the front will definitely bring out that high-end aesthetics for a bargain price. Now, I'm not going to do that in this video, so make sure that you stay tuned, because the coming video or the video after that, not sure how these are going to go, but you will see me actually DIY these and use them in the laundry room. Now, the next thing I grabbed was an oldie but goodie, and they are the Dollar Tree clothes hampers. Of course, they're great for the never-ending laundry, but I am grabbing them to use in my kids' linen closet. Now, these came in 2 sizes from the Dollar Tree, and I got the bigger size because I'm going to actually store towels in them, and you'll see how I do that. But I don't know if I'm sold on this side, so stay tuned, because I'll be using them, and you're gonna see if I use these or if I take it down a notch, which I will mention in the video. So we'll see, but again, these are great if you have the height space. I know a lot of linen closets are narrow but long. These go along with that long aesthetics because they are narrow and long, which means they should fit on a shelf, and you should be able to store towels, washcloths, anything that you need inside of these. So great pickup as well. Now, this next item, I didn't know the Dollar Tree sold these items, and I was actually pretty excited to see it, seeing that I am actually about to start a series that has a ton of laundry that of clothing that I have to store. So I store my clothes seasonal, and the new method that I'm using are the vacuum storage bags, guys, and they are in Dollar Tree. Now, you know these are pretty expensive at Target or anywhere like Walmart. They're pretty expensive. Can you believe they had them in Dollar Tree? So I'm excited to try this one out to see if it actually works just as great as the high-end ones. So definitely excited about those. And this also can create not only space but a great aesthetics. Just think, if you store your sweaters in here and you vacuum them down and then you stack them inside of a clear container, baby, not only are you saving space, but it's cute too. So those are the items that I'll be using to create that Pinterest aesthetics on a bargain, on a budget, sis. Now, let's jump into creating this backstock under my powder room vanity. Okay, so far these are the items that I will be putting in my backstock. So extra cleaning supplies, because you guys know that I get Grove Collaborative. So any of these extra cleaning supplies, as well as like extra laundry sanitizer or washing pots, all extras, extra dryer, what are these, dish drying mats, steam mop stuff, drying towels, all of these extras I'll be putting in my backstock. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to build out the baskets, and then we'll store it in the powder room. So while we organize these baskets and prepare them for backstock, I just wanted to jump on and formally introduce myself. My name is Cain. I am a mom of 3, a fiance, and an educator by day. On this channel, you will find content such as cleaning motivation, organization videos, lifestyle vlogs that most of the time include my family of 5. So if that is your thing, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and join the crew. Also, follow me on Instagram, guys, because I'm there like every single day, and you get to see more of me and what I'm like outside of these videos. If you are new, drop a comment down below and let me know that you are new. Say hey so that I can speak and thank you for your support today. Okay, so this is how it turned out, and I love to store things. Another thing that gives it that high-end aesthetics is storing like brand things, so brands that are the same or very similar. So like this basket is full of seasonal scents from Mrs. Meyer's. So like you have the Christmas scent that I'm no longer using, you have my additional fall scents that I never got to, and then this was considered a Christmas scent, but this is probably next up to come out of backstock. So I store like-minded things like that. And then the same here, you see mostly Method products, and I'm actually using this, and I use it in that bathroom, so I went on and stored that here. And then you have like backup wipes, additional multi-surface sprays, and then here is Mrs. Meyer's additional things that I ran out of space in this basket to use, so I have that here. And then you have additional laundry and kitchen items, so like laundry sanitizer all together, and then like the drying racks, mats, and steam mops all together. So I didn't need, as you saw, I didn't need the space for the dishwashing pods, because guess what? This stays here. I have to use these, so I'm not going to put them in backstock, and they all fit just like this inside of the canister. The next time you see this canister, it will be labeled, but this is how I would use the canisters. So let's go ahead and clean out the bathroom and store the stuff. Okay, so here is the powder room, and it is empty because I just took out the Christmas decor. I'm gonna put the 2 pictures that originally go here back up here. But yeah, I'm gonna get it together, just not today. We're worried about organizing this section here. So, as you see, it's honestly been wasted space, no organization, just clutter. So we're going to clear the clutter and we're going to build our backstock.
Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed.
This would not be Cain in real life without real life messes up close like this.
The thing is, I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense.
And here is the overall aesthetics, nice and white and clean. I decided to put the cloths up front because I use them so often, so I went on and put those in the front. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you check out the playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up if you like what you see, and leave me a comment down below. Until then guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
So good.